I remember,
It
some of
really
these
bad.
guys, they hide money in limited liability company and trust funds, and different people's name and so on. So I'm telling you that IC will not be able to capture all these wealth. It's just a little piece them able to capture.
Yes, exactly, true. Sure, because you have people that talk about Andrew and a thief. The reason why Andrew now work with the IC, him now be fair, him now talk the truth. So that's why them can't certify him. Cause now work with them. So him can't get certified. Time now work with them. Him now tell them where the money come from. Him now tell them where him come by him riches. It's only Jamaica alone. Them garbage you can't keep up in them. A party shop. Only Jamaica alone party shop run. Andrew was small fish and a Siago time, but now I'm a big whale. When come by him asset, him wife say, them never have no money to married. They never have no money. A fish fry. And all of a sudden say you come trillion here and you go classify who want to live in Europe where rich and rare and thing. Them people that generation wealth and them work, but Andrew can't tell what him come by female because his mother was a civil servant worker. She never rich. Bramwell not rich. Mr. Wallace not rich. And them same family and a big family. What if you say them dead left and leave how much property and leave how much asset and leave how much money for him? Taxpayers purse make him rich. Long time Andrew a thief. Danville Walker 1, 2. You soon hear film name come out. All of the big fish them. Bobby Montague. Andrew get threatened. Why am I for put Bobby Montague and Andrew Weekly at the office of the Prime Minister to work alongside him till a thief taxpayer money? Warrell Reed thief how much of education money. Be a thief.
Yeah, tap up the screen.
Corruption high now. Corruption down through the sky.
Thank you for the report. Stop up the screen.
Corruption gone through the sky now. Come on, man. Can't teach poor people so. And una eat big steak. And poor people can't eat get to oxtail turkey neck again. Eh? And the big wine. The only thing get up people can't drink a rum and boom. I want one beer or a one jagan. I want to come out and back this criminal prime minister. Yeah. When you say the prime minister a thief, he's a criminal. How can you have a man who under investigation and you have him back in a parliament? That rimper a criminal. The court find her 900,000 or 30 days. And you bring her back in a parliament and 900,000 there where she pay a court house. She come back and get back out of taxpayers first. She shouldn't sit down in a parliament. And I make law upon the Jamaican people them. Be a criminal and make law upon Jamaican people them. I don't see nothing wrong with that. Every day you come in a comment section, come in a box and defend this criminal, yeah? Eh? Only Jamaica alone. This can't happen. No other country. This can't happen.
Miss me don't know.
Through the love of money. It's through the love of money.
Own platform and stay what they say.
Every day think they see another blood clean ship coming yesterday come back. Another warship. So the woman says she come to Jamaica because the China them have to leave and get my band comes to China or Jamaica. My band comes to China or Jamaica, but my never band comes to America and they are Jamaica.
Right.
My band comes to China or Jamaica.
That's true. That
and
is
a
true.
long time China build up Jamaica. China no walk and thief people property. Eh? Any property the China get at the government, them sell them it. How much infrastructure in Jamaica where we can say, yes, America, they put up that. As much
America
as me
hasn't
in
done
them
enough.
country. How
No.
many infrastructure in Jamaica where we can say, yes, them put up this how much years where Jamaican people are live off of. Eh? But yes, still, the China them, look how much store. Yeah, Jamaica, where we black brothers and sisters, I work with them. That's them can buy even 6 last car. And for some of the tell me 5 3 pound and mixed parts them can buy and curry brown street and give them picnic. Eh? My band comes to China. Yeah. You have Chinatown. You have Chinese cemetery. My band comes to China.
There's a 17 Asian pull up on it at Jamaica yesterday. We are going to see what
And them send them
They
back.
get arrested.
And them
They
send them
get
back.
arrested.
And them send them back without warning. No red carpet, no throat for them. I remember when Jamaica, people are do Igla rain. I was 81st. Jamaica start I go 80 before them start go Curacao and Panama. 81st. So we wanna talk about
what you think about the interview with Andrew do yesterday?
Eh?
What you think about the interview with Andrew do yesterday?
A friend interview. You know you book your friend and yeah, your friend sit down and drink 2 liquor and no reason. And that. Because Cliff Hughes come out strong and that talk about Andrew Weekly. Him not come out strong and talk to the Prime Minister. It's a friend thing. It's a friend thing like me that meet you a long time, I don't see you. I say, watch your walk one, man. Come in at this time, I could sit down and talk and drink 2 liquor now. I was 2 friend thing at all. A 2 friend a reason. 2 friend a reason. Because them take Jamaican people for Papa Show. A
Blessed to one and all. Blessed.
Yeah.
Mama, I love how you attack. I love how you burn the fire. I swear. One thing, I'm coming in a box, and I see fire burn, I'm glad, you know. And that's why I come burn my fire too, you know. You're gentle people in disrespect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
If you show me, I show you a point, you know. You see, the politician, them, I don't like a bone of them, not even PNP or Labour, right? One person alone never vote for in my life. I'm a woman president. I'm a woman prime minister. You see me? You see me? Portia. She alone ever vote for 2 times in my life. I mean, I grew up and say I'm not going to vote. And the only reason I vote for a woman to give you a change in her life, because a woman have conscience, a woman have feelings, a woman care for her pitney. Not to say she care more than the man, you know. But I just tell her where her mother love come from. That's why I'm a vote for her. I wouldn't vote none at all. Anyway, put that aside. You see, one of the main problem we're having in the country, Jamaica bumbuckler people who own paper. Yo, I say Brazil, I say them step out for Brazil. I'm say Kevin out there. I'm gonna say that support, yo, bro. But ball like water, I see them as up, yo, when them are real for Asian, Jamaica beat Asian. Them don't know Brazil beat Asian in the World Cup, man. Them don't know it says a fixed match that. For Asian, them don't know so much set. Them a take for Asian. Why? You know why them a take so much set for Asian? Asian is one of the most greatest country in the world. Them defeat them over and over and over, and never bow or what they call it. Never bow or put them no time to them. And them keep on sabotage them for over 1 million. How much years them a sabotage them right now? In every way them can. And we Jamaicans so blind. Send back the people and I collect prisoner in the country. Our government that tell us, yo, you have to be a bombast say is a Jamaican. So that means this when them say this out of their mouth, them don't have this intention long time. Them done informing from that time. Now I'm telling you how long this thing are going on in a plan, in motion. When the man come out and say you don't have to be a Jamaican, not because he's a Jamaican, you think he's a... Yo, I don't know what the fuck the man say out there mouth this about.
Yes, from them time, yes.
Jamaicans sit down and support him. And this is what me I try to show you. I hate how Jamaicans support cartel, them support I Show Speed, them support Brazil, them support Messi, them support every mama bumbuckler consequences enough to do for help Jamaica, but just for hold them down. I see them support for Brazil, bro. I say, I'm going to tell you, I say Marcus Garvey do this already, you know. Him fight and die for we, you know. And we come on tomorrow, we're going back to
poor
the
people
same
then.
the colonies ways we're going back to, you know. Because we're not in a sense, you know, say, yo, this is what we reach in our life. And yet still, we see all of these things that happen. We get information, and we still sit down in the comfortable shit, in the comfortable...
One more answer. What is about cartel? Which one of the cartel? Singer cartel you talk?
Listen, DJ, everybody support cartel. Any cartel them support. The gun cartel from Cowboy Show. Cartel will just come out of jail. Any cartel where the overseas a kill off people.
The cartel is a Jamaican. It is a Jamaican.
Yes. And I said, yes, we're supposed to support them. But the effort I will put out for them, I will not put out for Kevin. This is what me I talk about. Kevin beg them for sign a petition. She come like a beg them and I beg them.
Them a support wrongs. The things them when them fear support, them not support. That's a man's fight.
Marvin, sorry. My contract, Marvin, sorry. My contract going on now.
Batty boy and do all this attack.
I want to Jamaica get how much $1 million for support the Batman-ism and them thing there. And them take it. And we can't say, no, the people them come out and support it. We can't say the church come out and say, yo, we don't need these criminals in the country. When the church is there.
The church am compromised with the demon prime minister.
No, bro. First of all, I'm going to step to my people them first. Before I step to them, back to bush, because I need strength, I need power. Me alone can't go do it. Me alone not supposed to out in the street. I fight, I advocate for bumbuckler, phone right, and phone comfort in a life. And sit down there so like when I'm lazy, like saying I don't know bumbuckler generation of vipers, for what them call you and tell you about we is. So we lazy and we now come fight the fight. It come like a chew because all of them little dirty crosses thing what them do to it, hold it down, I want to keep on do the same thing. But they right now in America, and every time I go beside one lake, and my bumbuckler 4 parents them underneath that. The first time America ever bomb right here in America ever bomb. And our black people, ancestor bomb. When I want bomb rascal come be a full fucking slave. Come I can walk around and pick ackee. Every day my bumbuckler life. Me I eat ackee 4 years straight. Some of these people come bumbuckler import poison pussy clap food. My Jamaican people, I can't say to my own Jamaican people, I can't feel it too. These are the people, them. How much bumbuckler Batman have a bird up all over the coast now? What we get so much Batman a bird up for? One time there's no way Batman could have walked in peaceful in my bumbuckler country. We could have owned every
I want...
So these are Jamaican, no Jamaican a sell out. Bro, I'm ignorant, no consequences no there for the bumbuckler politician, them and the people them. Them a sell you out and every way. And we not burn nothing, we not doing nothing.
But the diaspora overseas who have to pay, who have to be paying rent to keep their apartments going and earning $20 per hour. How do they feel when they know that their politicians in Jamaica have multiple homes in America, right? And they live in America and can't own a home and earning those meager wages. Yet still, how can you support members of the diaspora? How can you support those politicians when you are living overseas and you can't own a home, yet still these guys are living in Jamaica, being politicians and own multiple homes where you are working and living?
That improve power you say. Now improve power you say. For sure, all wicked. Facts what you say, but never improve power you say. Facts and crazy the earth, because you know why? We have house in development and we are sure how much months and years of our life and can't get a house. Anyway, look what try you, Abraham said. I get a flag for this one, I call a man a name, you know. I tell you the truth, you know. Them flag your station when you call a man a name. And there's no way you're supposed to get flag for call a man name. Just call a person name. You see me? I use as a reference or understanding. You see me? Sorry if even make you get flag. I never plan to come on your station for customer do that. For them can flag you come on this message. Go to them people who are one of the most corrupt people.
Them no recognize bad word, brother. You can't curse any amount of bad word. Them no recognize bad word.
Bad charge. When I call a name, try you Abraham. I call a name. Look if you get a flag. Try you Abraham.
Yeah, but see people them see we are little Jamaica,
the man called to Jamaica and Jamaica turn him down and refusing. Because they make them Batman Prime Minister where them bumbuckle it up. We touch the wall. He said the wall where the man touch, it name all the souls get sell out. I would have gone down to the dog. Would have live like Russia. One time, mother and father got up on the corner. I sell them ass. I think a daughter and mother and father and son got up on the corner. I sell them ass out there. We carry a wheelbarrow to buy one slice of bread. This is where the country I go down to. We not see what happened to the history of them people. I will get rid of all of them wicked people out of the country until them develop and build up. Bro, we have to go grow our own food. We have to go link with Try Abraham. You see me, you see, now them find an energy source we can put in a car. You don't have to use gas, you don't have to use nothing. In a Bokuna Fast, what do you the name? Chukumbusa, where I'm from, where we have the adventure, we don't have to use gas and fight over gas no more. I was still in the Middle East fight for gas because the president over there, all on the adventure stifle the world with it, because if not released into the world don't have to suffer like this no more. I mean, hear the world about for this adventure what the youth have. Him can put it in a TV, put it in a car, put it in a bike. It don't need gas, it don't need nothing for plug in. You see me? And all of these not spreading because this is what they use all along the world, and the world now see these things for advocate for that. So we want that adventure that we want to make sure that you don't die in them, don't get rid of him. And this is what my main problem is. When can sit down and see every wicked people rise and nobody make an effort for go film and get rid of him. But any one of our good people them rise, like Chayu Ibrahim, Sankara, all of them, Marcus Gavin, all of them people, Bob Man, all of them, and our people rise to help them come and analyze them. But we now get up and say we have to analyze for them people, them to what wicked wicked things against we. We now put the fire where the fire for burn. We put it to our own people, them. Right now, you can't see.
And Joel's a wicked man. You know, see the man, them execute all father and son a couple of weeks ago in one parish. Father and son get wiped out one time.
There's no way you say you clean up criminal history and I come to 10,000 more criminal. You sick body in your cocaine, crackhead head. What kind of they never did that clean up a country? Because you can't say you kill off people where you're part of your country, your society. Even if them wrong, you're supposed to take them to court and let the judge deal with it. You're the police and the judge, jury, and execution. Where you ever hear nothing like this, I want to sit down and laugh about too. The people of my murder. What make the people of my murder? Because them been suffering, because them been old back. What make couldn't believe a man going to house for fees and people go give him jungle justice? Why can't jungle justice? These people will do the same thing. One time in life, there's no way anybody sit for and tune and them do so much wicked, them go film and do this, but them implant system so them can't get nothing, no charge or nothing. You see me right now, I have to go back to slave. I'm not supposed to slave because the money not supposed to use. We're supposed to can't trade things like how one time we used to trade things without no money. Now we have to trade things with money because it's a different system designed to hold it down and keep you in a slave. We can't understand that, we can't know that. But you will not unite, you can't unite with the own black brothers them. We unite with white, pink, purple. Anybody coming out in a Jamaica, one love will tell them, I will invite them in, but we own people we treat like, oh, they see them wicked people and treat them people and more while all the while. But we invite every other else race, give them welcome hands, give them also sleeping. Why we couldn't do that to a mad people out the road too and take care of them? Me take care of mad people, everybody I yard, I care who. I don't want a resting place. I never specialize in anybody.
You remember when Trump was sending the first batch of deportees under his regime, meaning not the regular monthly amount. Trump did line up some people and send them down. I remember Andrew Holness said, it's not the Jamaica that you left before. It's either if you come and don't behave yourself, like in effect that the police is there to wipe you out. You don't remember when he was threatening the people who were coming?
I remember that.
I remember
that clearly.
I remember that statement there.
He might take how much pervert and molestation, and you put out a warning for them too. But he put out a warning for you. Remember that?
I remember, a lot of our Jamaicans, who have been deported, some of them are minor immigration violations. You know, some of those are not criminal matters. It can be minor issues.
Bro, we're too foolful. We really make the doctor them want help with. The man never tell us, so we not take them to our next country, tell them, so we don't want enough to take them. And that country, that we're going to tell you that for them doctor, we're going to make sure so you will be a permanent customer for life. And what kind of sense that is? Oh, if you get rid of certain the doctors that will help you how much takes and time. America never said no aid come help you yet. Any aid them send come give it, I come experiment for me and give it AIDS, syphilis, all kind of disease, experiment for me and watch you die. This is a facts. There's facts in the FBI system. We're not supposed to have nothing to do with them. Honestly. Nothing in the world we're not supposed to want to do with them. Anything what we're supposed to want to do, I prefer with that head back to the European side. Because the European, them don't buy them chips, them don't buy them milk, them don't buy nothing from them. Because everything where them have it poison, and I'm telling you. All American things them poisonous. All of them. Water, food, everything. Why? You have a food with all dead people and I call it goyim and all them things that spread all over the world. I want to see no sense in it for different that I stand up as Jamaica. The 80 them stand up and fight better than we, and we are get rid of them. And them people that we need in our bumbuckler place. And them fucking people that we're supposed to need in our place. People want to soup low and bend the blood clot into the government system. Them people that we need to help motivate you and support me. Try, we tell you, I'm willing to come support you and go to free house and everything in the country as poor people. You think him accept that as the government? You think him will accept that? Because the colonial system tell him, say, if you never do it, then get rid of him. That is one of the main things for know. Anytime nobody now work with them, then get rid of them. You see a man from a tune and you see my live and he might write an attempt to make a fine, he might work with them. Simple as that. You don't need no more extra understanding. You
know how much time they make off a chore, brother.
Everybody want to see it. Everybody want to see in a Brazil jersey.
Loads of time they make off of that.
Everybody wearing a Brazil jersey.
Look here, you know me notice? Look here, you know me notice? Every other nation keep them culture. Notice a Jamaican, when them come America, then start to want talk like American. If them go to England, them want to talk like the Englishman. Any other country them go, they not keep with them culture. They want to adapt other nation culture. That's what go wrong, you know. You have some people come America 6 months and the 7 months them start to speak like them born America. They don't want to keep them culture. Every nation keep them culture. Jamaica alone. Me say, some come at just 6 months and the 7 months them start to speak like them are born American.
The sellout syndrome, we sell out airport, we sell out the backside, we sell out everything. There's no way Jamaica supposed to. Jamaica used to be 80% supplying the world with iron. Jamaica the first train line. Jamaica the first have light in one place before many countries in the world. These things
see when they mind the backside, youth. Man, they tell them, so let's build the thing where we own a metal, you know. And see, I got turn it down, you know. See, there. Them mind the backside at Trinidad have to do it. Trinidad
tell them, Reynolds, Alcan, and Kaiser, they come and say, make we build the smelter at Jamaica there because Jamaica have the most backside and what them do. Siaga said no, and no. Trinidad take it. That's why we have to send we backside, go at Trinidad now, feet. Yeah. Hey, I'm going on the oil.
Metal.
What do you know, man? What do you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, a real talk, man. Siaga.
You know what hurt me too? One time me used to could have travel and eat Jamaica. I get rice and peas in a oxtail and ackee and saltfish and callaloo and all them things there, you know, brother. No, me I come get chips in a water and canned soda, you know. Bro, I'm selling up my airport, the best airline of the world. The best airline of the world. I'm selling out.
When the Jamaican pilot has to Bruce Golding say, give me the airline, I'm not with him, give to him friend them. Our Jamaican pilot them say them want it. And him go around them and give to him friend them.
These are the things I want to. These are the things I want to know for these people is selling we out. Because there's nowhere another country, another person supposed to own an airport. It's supposed to name Jamaica Airport. Gosh, what the fuck? Yo, I don't know what wrong with no bumper ass classic head people who own people in another country because they not stand up for what's right.
Them same one come say, them same one come say 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. whatever they want to say. 1 a.m. 1 a.m. or whatever.
The amount of people I see, this is one main issue. Yes. This is my main problem. The amount of people I see come out for work up Brazil and them country are suffer. Brazil now give them
right now, let me explain this to you, rude boy. The World Cup should be totally ignored. Nobody shouldn't even watch World Cup on TV. Nothing. You know why?
Nothing.
The way this man treat the players them brother. The World Cup should have been boycott with a full boycotting, not even TV. It should not watch on.
Family, is if you have wicked people go around and help, like infiltrate the crowd, like them come out and say, yo, Brazil, same and corruption are going. You have follow fashion monkey, I go start follow. So the levels is all the while always have some people in our system and infiltrate the system. Them people as them come and open them mouth, if they not get a big stone and slapping at them face, them have afraid to come out. Maybe the Jamaican way, them have afraid to come out when they're ready to open them stinking mouth. That's when the consequences go on. Or we can't open our mouth and talk our rights. The wicked them lock it up, shut it up. That's how we treat them. And them know says a fight there. So make them have to come out of them shell and fight with fear, physically, straight up. I make them know say, yo, it's an enemy role thing. You know, go behind a curtain and fight or kill we off. Go face to face in a coward. Piece of shit in war. Coward. It's a coward though. Coward fight people behind shadow. You fight people face to face, brave up front. That's why. And I have to hide. If another thing for come out, fight for what is for no one. This would never give none to uno just hand over like a platter upon a plate, no. A bumbuckler, sit down every day and I tell about God who will come save, you know. Go on wait now. Go on blood clot wait now. And I don't get up and take back on the country like 80. So when you see 80 are fighting for them when people are come over here for help and I turn them back. And that's some sort of wicked piece of people, but Jamaica is one love for everybody. Only for money now. Only for money now. And the reason why we have everything to do with it too, and make sure telling you this. We, me, you, and everybody even when they're on the platform, and everywhere in the blood clot where we have something to do with it. Because as a little fight where we are fight, it is not enough. We can't do. If we step out like the football people, if we step out like the stage show people, I'm telling you, man, if we don't step out, so we're not enough fighter. Wicked, all our wicked. That me I say. All our apartheid, I pretend. Don't to even me too. This is me I put it to. Right now, I should even sit down. I watch this, I carry on. I mean, I get up and fight like by myself and the business of the world, they want to help me.
No, man, I don't know where a man find time to watch football after them sister people also bulldoze down and them sitting there.
Bad charge. And them look at me now and tell me that me is the most jovial person in the world, you know. So come my family and put me on TikTok, you know. But they never know say, yo, as much as me jovial and them thing there. You see me? True, me don't want to look on people and tell them to say, yo, now some wicked and pagan beside of me, you know. Can I can't see them
poor people and I call with squatters.
You can't watch your own people go Dubai go get shit in their mouth and sit down and laugh and jail the people them for the know the blood class system will work against uno. You see me? I got cuss your own people we're trying to have little sense more than them and I think we have sense. This is what the system do to people. So some people can't wake up and them think that understand and them are suffer. Them are going to go at any meanings and necessary.
Unnecessarily about people, them are dead for hungry and them are ball.
Everybody are dead. PNP are always hungry too. Labour right are dead for hungry. The two of us put our hands and heart together and create a different system. Make the Rasta take it time. Make the Rasta. When you vote for the Rasta community and them things, I see where the Rasta them are really selling out like that then. Because the slightest thing, the Rasta them move for sell out. They wouldn't accept them gear writing. I would have said everything right away, plain. Because Rasta are mixing a bangaranga. But give them a chance and if I be the case, I'll give Kevin a chance. Make him be the next politician for it. I want to go around him and blood club and put in a life on the line like a bulletproof vest to make sure some not bomb buckle dead like one to do for everybody else. Like one to do for cartel, like one to do for cartel, like one to do for iShow Speed, like one to do for Brazil and Messi when them come here. Not even a bullet could catch him if them the fire one half of him. That's for sure how corrupt it is. I saw for different our own and people them, our ancestor legacy and name too. Nanny and Paul.
Yeah, man, when every turn up and say Andrew must go, we not see nobody, you know.
I say everybody in a Jamaica, Brazil, out of campaign, so go suck on a mum and some of them for dead too. Because they come like on a can't wake up like on a walking zombie for the rest of their life. Look how when I come support for saying that Jamaican and Jamaican down there suffer and make the world I watch this and I laugh after it. See, I don't know how much time I feel me shame for be a Jamaica. And I'm there proud about the beef in Jamaica. Yeah, I'm proud to be a Jamaica, happy to be a Jamaica. But only just blood clot, I don't grab my pussy clot name and culture and pussy clot shit. Worse than shit in a poison and chemical for kill we have. But with the inner shit alone, because with the inner shit we a little better have. A poison and chemical in our kill we have. Worse than shit. Or one government them kill we have like ants and fly, like flea. When election time come around, I'm seeing when I'm going to gun and I'm going to everything for the fight war for them. Fucking fool, you know. Work my day after I work like a slave, like 7.5 cents.
Alright, bloop. Big up yourself, bloop.
Them get my dark all the while, man. Them a bum buckle and roll up on a translate, transfer. But it look like say we don't understand. They take me a few shame for say. If you have sense to them simple little thing.
Nah, for fair share, man. Remember I said the system colonize the minds.
No, man. No, man. It hurt my brother.
I know you're alone, man. Every day, I used to come on this live and I show even the elders them and say, yo, this is colonization. And I say, yo, you know, you're not about for 100 years back ago.
I'm stepping there. I'm stepping there. I'm stepping there. I'm naked thing because I want some bread.
No, the ignorant joke, bro.
I'm ignorant like them. I'm ignorant than them. What are you telling about?
I try to show them in a long time, but you see, I understand so them colonize.
From a station and go, man. People sell out station, man. Them come do anything you hear them attack like this. I pay them get people come sell out. That's how them kill Marcus there. I want black people them do it, you know. I want black people them give the money, you know. When them try to sell out, I'm trying, you know. I want black people them give the money to come do it. You think them come face to face, come fight with?
Exactly.
Make sure stop talking.
But when I next thing we need now, bro, are the police them now for wake up, brother, because them will get affected with this. You see this thing when them are going to bulldoze our house, them will get affected too, you know. So them did a different system and I know the system will come for them too. Even the military. All of the members now in the military too. We now get affected. So I know we're not different something will affect you know.
Bro.
I'm not Jamaican, it's not like we're outside of Jamaican.
Uncle, I just tell you a while ago, no consequences.
No, man, I remember saying from them lose them job, you know, that's hit, you know, them are going to be a normal, them are going to the fuck too.
Self consequences did that, you know what I'm saying? Them self consequences did that. You see, think that would give them policemen and them get peace and say, oh, them send them go somewhere, let them win the case and then give them money and call them back secretly, of course, have a mass in a different squad, them still in the system same way. This is what burn and hurt me. You see me? And the next thing again, one of the things say, yo, them put no consequences no there. That's why them are gonna do this. Them police anywhere them got them yard for go sleep them all say flattened too. Them get feelings for the same treatment them get. You think they're corruptness go come tell me say I do corruptness I'm comfortable. If no consequences not there, no repercussion. Every action have a reaction, every reaction have an action. And if only don't show them say, yo, this I bring a reaction, I'm not comfortable in this. Them are going to do worse. You think them used to have foot in our neck, them have knee in our neck. No, them have, no, them have whip and touch away without a whip, invisible whip, a beat we. Because we again, it come down to.
You want me to
come down to
in a one little batch where this big nose man bring back Jamaica to.
Okay, thank you.
Back in the days, it used to name slavery. Hold on, it named slavery back in the days, but nowadays it named
decolonization, my boss. I see slavery again, my recolonization.
Modern slavery.
Modern slavery.
Recolonization.
Yeah, exactly.
Recolonize modern slavery. It's just an upgrade of the thing. Okay, you know what hurt me, brother? There's no way me ever there keep running around in the same circle like a hamster and understand so me I go run in a circle. Everything is I keep repeat back over and over. And you know the fucking thing, I'm sure say them don't have no sense as wicked people. Them not have to step in our necks so wicked and cruel because them people are licky and love likes and sell out. So if I never get a liquor, the mouth with a shut and keep closed. Just rub liquor butter upon the kitty mouth. No, that even butter them want rub upon the kitty mouth.
Hello. I work out the money that they sold the vote for. And it all work out to $2.74. when you finally get it down to the last $2.74. Imagine that. That's what they sell themselves for.
Put the proposal forward to honor down at that. Why make you never go vote for him for Mark Golding? Why make no for want to take the $5,000 in the green Ganzi?
And you vote for Mark Golding or not? Sorry for interject, but whether you vote for Mark Golding or not?
Why you never vote for Mark Golding for livable wage and you can rent a house until you buy it? Rent to buy, rent to own. But me not sorry for honor. You know why me not sorry for honor?
University.
You know why me not sorry for honor? Mark Golding did tell you no. I want only for do no history. No for only never go to school and learn. In the 60s, them thief up the education money. 50 school for bill. I'll know some can bill. $4.9 million gone. Same thing in the 80s. Prime Minister borrow money from Central Bank and buy big property at Ochoreas and move the cruise ship from down Port Antonio, carry it go up Ochi. See the same thing at me now. Remember say Siaga enough of them lay in the downtown. Siaga did bulldoze and say when him stand up him want to clear down there. So the same thing Andrew a bulldoze. See my bulldoze all over Jamaica, but we don't want hear no plea. We don't want to hear it. We not going out on the street. We, the revolutionists, not go out on the street to fight for our blood clean. I want to sell you out on $5,000. I want to brogan. I want to green blood clean clocks. We, the revolutionists, not go out there to fight for no. On no too damn licky.
But buddy, we can ask you something, General.
I said something again to family.
You keep on a promote.
Look how Jamaica celebrate Brazil. Look how Jamaica celebrate Brazil for real. And we can't support our own culture. We are suffer. Look on it for true. They don't support Kevin. They don't support my name there. Come on, man, for true, man. I'm never get up on there and go give my life for nothing at all. And while tomorrow them will come back and be the base shell them are yesterday. Marvin, sorry. So me ignorant me there, I get tired, yo, dad. Yo,
man, when me there at Jamaica, me are the only man tell you know in a East Blood Clean Portland say me ready. Me chainsaw ready, and me steel cutter them ready, and me drum them ready. Jamaica would have that darkness. See, you don't know who you are. You think to yourself, say, when Daddy Michael put me on plane and send me go over there to Fidel, I won't go firearm alone, me pull up. Farming and every blood clay thing. So you can't chat to me. You can't chat to me, Michael. You can't chat to me. You know, if you didn't know your history of the great leader Michael Manley, where Singapore come to Jamaica, they come to and carry it back to Singapore, and we can't talk to Singapore now. Singapore I give a free scholarship. Free scholarship. Free.
Buddy, I'm going to disagree.
You want to disagree, say, you know, because you're a young boy. A 70-year-old man like me, nothing you can tell me about politics in Jamaica. There is nothing you can tell me to drift my mind from the People's National Party. Nothing. Nothing. So I don't want you, whether you agree with me or not. That is why my people in Jamaica, they are suffer. Suffer so because you support the bullshit. You support the pilfering from the Jamaican people. So I don't want to hear that. What I come down there and say is what I come down there and say. So you don't tell me that when the lion or a mouse have to run, vase broke up. So you don't tell me that. I know my history. How can you have a government dipping into an organization taking out 11.5 billion per year and not building?
Bro, stop worry about money in the fucking bank, brother. And the minerals and the worry about.
Me tell them, me can't talk about the fire, so God, if me say something about the red mud down there, them a go lock off. Me can't talk about it. $10 trillion water. I mean, I talk to you now. The red mud down there, a $10 trillion
General. Can you see some man powerful?
The red mud, the waste mud, a $10 trillion water and money and just sign with the Chinese them for because them are the only people we can finalize the earth, the natural earth resources.
All the man that spring from the British country help you. The man grandfather William Golding. That's what the man say help a black Jamaican. Him not gonna do it. People are guiding no one fucking guidance. Man go related to the British people them.
If the man can't
the man related to him, he not go fight the system.
What the blood clean
him not go fight it. Why a white man go fight for you?
What more you want him for do? Him denounce his British citizenship. Him denounce him British. What the blood clean more you want him for do? What more you want him for do? Hey, Crabber, take me off fire, say I'm coming to wine in an argument with for them, you know.
Bobby, stay away there.
Move your little dirty blood clean. The man denounce him British citizenship.
Me take him down.
What the blood clean you come and tell me, say. You know the amount of privilege when you have a British blood clean passport, shithead. Oh yeah, and the man come down, come talk about grandfather. When him come here in the 50s, I him set up the Polo Center up a blood clean, more than a rehab. I help Wally for blood clean Jamaican forget to read a Polo. See, I got give the biggest blood clean award on Jamaica and so that the Michael Manley. I know Jamaica never get them award yet when father get. Some of the blood clean come and tell me say.
You're a madman, man. You know I come back on this. No matter how much why name do you send, me not take you back on this. You understand?
Him thief none of money from Deering, Bunting and Golden. Bring a blood clean customer will lose money in a Deering, Bunting and Golden. Look for Bombard SSL. Move your little dunce blood clean. What you think? What you think? Man in a power for 10 blood clean years and him not building a raw school for learn and then I come up and come talk about fully dunce.
Instead of blood clot build school, him all lock down
this
school.
You're full of shit, raw soul, yeah, man. Man, we are send blood clot woman with her fat pussy. Go a foreign, go sign paper. Some more your agreement for take money for man. Fuck her now. Matty Wall. How are you? How the fuck do now? Pussy, sure.
That's sick psycho. That sound like some pervert. Whatever's up with leader. Eh? Look on them things, bro. Come on, man. One data, you know. All right. I show nothing then. Fambo. You see, when me there Jamaica, I come from Dunkirk. Anybody can tell you. You know how much picnic me have as God, my godson, as my goddaughter, my godson. You know how much picnic me grow up in my hand. You know how much picnic me have and say, am I goddaughter, my godson, am I you this. You see me? I go around with them, take care of them, walk with them on my back. Anyway, I go cook anything I have enough of the time, all the while, if that's not be the case. I remember I tell you, when anybody have them picnic, them can't beat them picnic around me. I have to keep the picnic with sense and intelligence. You can't beat the picnic around me, you don't have an argument and war. Not if I hear a picnic, ask anybody to Dunkirk. You know much of them watch them, the influence and kill off and set them up and all them things there. You know much of them watch die. I'm gonna come to America and I get one daughter me get. And the mother take her away and now I'm gonna talk to her now and the system implant these wickedness over the people and no rightful justice like that for we. None. So these are the things I'm gonna get dark for watch my people them are dead off like flies and ants around the world. Others people them not dead off like that. And other nation me dead off go around. A good thing I get a chance. A good thing I get a chance to go around the world. I get a chance to go around the world and see what the world is really like. From me at 13, 14, I fly out and go much different country. And someone know say, yo, these are the wickedness who are going to separate us so we can't see the beauty outside. Every other country can travel.
Okay,
Every other
again.
people can travel, but all over the world. But our people can't travel. They have to stay right there in one box. As a slave them are and run around like the hamsters. Like they run around like a hamsters. Bro, we're tired of them things, bro. I'm tired to see my people them come fight for you and now we sit down there on a not stand a revolution or nothing. And we can't get it back unless we fight for it. I will not get nothing unless you fight for it. Yeah, the man say, I'm ready long time. And when I Jamaica, I grow my people, and I tell them, say, I'm ready. I'm willing to turn them nearly turn against me and kill me and shoot me up enough time too. That me I tell you, Adams are going and I'm doing things with people. I'm ready to take him on. Me ready to take him on. I tell them if I'm my own friend them, I look for me and tell them, say, you're mad, you're sick. What you want me to do? You want to fuck you on them thing there. Remember me tell you that.
Yeah, I always talk about the MOD have no ending. What is the meaning of that?
Brother, some man for know them I talk so before them come and talk to me.
Exactly. When meaning of the ending?
If they're not bumbuckly come out and stand up and willing to fight and give up your life for this, don't come talk to me like say you have sense or you mean we not good. Tell you Abraham dead for we. I will turn him down. I will turn him back. A free house, everybody in Jamaica where they have now, and clean food, and clean hospital and everything. But you know why? Him tell the man say, we don't submit to no government, this or that. I can go them the speech, you know. And you see what I do right now, you can't tell me nothing Jamaicans. You know, need to wake up and stop with the zombie them turn them into.
That's what he's doing. He's in the arrangement.
Then I said the money where them take the game money. I only think take the game money. The game money where you them talk about over here in America. So Jamaica get how much game money. I will think take it. I man Vegas they got the money the day went on the campaign and never do the money.
Within two Batman something. So him
go on like say a shadow. Remember me tell you this. If me have a son and grow up and him turn the Batman, me make sure I come off of the planet. I'm gonna grow something more good, but I'm not use. Means a disease to the system and nature life. And the wickedness of them attack, but means a dying life, corruption, and if me for make my son grow up and turn like that. I analyze myself and him too. You're mad? So for a man have them heart and them guts and understanding and done for every part of what the man can, what them can do to him and what them do to him. In my part I tell God, I molest him son, I grew up in front of my picnic and that. That me I tell you. That's what them do. Wicked people I do over here and all about. My daughter me have, one daughter me have, and that me I tell you right now. Me I feel I try to do what me I do right now. What me I do, I prepare a better future for you tomorrow.
You what I must say? Just like how the dirty politician down at Westport and I beg on 4 more years to film Grand Picnic. You hear what I must say? Picnic them I do about.
This is my
picnic. I want to look out for food Grand Picnic. I want to picnic. Me come and take Jamaica and I lift up all of my grand them. So if you don't want to look out for no Grand Picnic, blood and fire for
respect you for that, I'm honor and respect you for that. Yeah, my family, man, I know what I really meaning for protecting family.
Fly down and take up the 7 of them. Nah, left them down at that. Me nah left them down at that. For the blood, I mean, know why that come. Me grandpicking them. Yeah, boy, you must sick.
Bro, I will tell you. Bro, let me tell some people like this. You see me? You see in a life, one time when the bees are selfish, and so corrupt, when you don't get the full pureness of love, we can elevate you know, in a way that's when you see what life really mean and worth to be civilized. Come on, you can't say your father and you can't protect your daughter from poison gas. You can't say your father and you can't protect your daughter from molestation. You can't say your father.
Your family. You expect a next man to come protect your family.
Protect her. And come tell me this is another thing with a sick body in the head, man. Sick bad man. I'm supposed to can protect my daughter from everything that let me be a father. I'm supposed to can protect her from child molestation. We can protect her from wicked people who are influencers to take drugs. I'm supposed to can protect her from all of the music and the corrupt music them who are singing that people and to make them corrupt and them things that. I'm supposed to protect her from all of these things and see that let me be a true father, that let me be a man.
Oh, true, bro. God on time, what go on?
You think I'm gonna make them a rape off my daughter in front of me and I'm gonna do nothing? So I'm like this, make the city on fire. My daughter never do this too and tell me I can't do nothing about it. Which demon, which God?
I tell me about courts. They have a brethren, a federal prisoner foreign. They have a brethren who are they are federal. As long as him chest go up and come down, him they are federal prisoner foreign. 2 children, him have a boy and a girl, and they married, and they are America. They have him business place, and him son a drive come home, and the police stop him. License and registration. And the young man a reach for the glove compartment for reach the papers, and the policeman analyze him. And when it go a court, the police say him feel say is a gun the man did a go for, and feel him life threatened. You know what Paul do? Paul work and set up him wife and picnic and daughter. Set them up,
comfortable. Life.
Make them comfortable.
This now going vain.
And you see when the police boy daughter Elizabeth, she did name, I go graduate. Paul buy a brand new 9mm and a pack of Marlboro and a lighter and go at the pram. Which part the pram I go keep? And sit down. And you see when the limousine pull up with Elizabeth, and Elizabeth step out of the vehicle, and Paul say, Elizabeth, she never even said the S. Just Paul, open up the 9mm upon her pit flat, stiff stone and alive right there. So yes, when it go a court, Paul tell them say him not care what him want do what the government want do with him. Him get film satisfaction.
Get film justice.
Yeah. Real
him say get anything at all. If them want pop him neck, if them want gas him, if them want inject him, anything, him get film. So some of you really and truly, and some of that, when me down at Jamaica, that me can see a 89-year-old man, I seen a little police boy, we could have been grandson with M16. I box up the blood clean 89-year-old man and I ask him with the gunman. Broke the man jawbone and lick out the man denture. Then me feel pleased with that. Me there some splash down a Montego Bay and see a police boy a box up a youth without any hand.
Yo, I
box up the youth down there and I tell the youth, I should all somewhere else me hold you in a night here. You know the amount of bullet me would have put by you and it there on camera. Don't
I want the blood look at me and tell me, say, a police boy, I'm going to tell you this, a police boy look at me and tell me, say, I swear to you, say, yo, you say, yo, it's like how you chat, say, you feel like you can chat, you like you chat. Remember, you get your mouth for chat, me get my gun for killer in the day, my buck you one away. Yo, sometimes I start winding him up and chat, and then him away. Virgin me and him ending up turn, yeah? Because I'm now back down, I'm now stoop low. I try to show him, say, yo, bro. And I saw this go for me. Me believe in that. Me believe. I understand. Say, yo, I'm not supposed to do you nothing. Because I don't know what your judgment is going to be when you do me anything. When you come back for revenge. Me's a scorpion. And my revenge don't go as how you think it can go. I feel it can go. It'll come with revenge. To the blood of the corpse of the blood. Right now, when my friend them bang the line and I do them thing, I might get a youth brother them I do. I tell them I get back from them. I get back from them generation people who done thief and give them generation the wealth. I get back from them too. And they come tell me nothing. Nobody not come tell me nothing about survivation out here. What my eat is how we Jamaican can get up and jungle justice and man just come in and house come tea, food or money or things. But the Prime Minister, whether they are the government, them they will do them, analyze, we kill, we have to do all kind of things. Anything, nobody can do nothing about it. Only can stand up and watch, so don't pay no for fright now.
Listen to man them panel.
Mental health.
Mental health. Respect.
Who will feel love? Who will feel love mental health? Who love we?
Alright, watch me.
If man never love it. If them never love it, one more in one we the little bloggers span yourself for do.
Never.
Well, if you love a man, we are sell out him constitutional rights for $5,000 per me. A man we are selling constitutional human rights for $5,000 max food and a drink of rum. Oh, me feel love
them people. I know them people me attack. You know I really think good. Family.
Yes.
Family.
Family. Really mean the true meaning.
Family. If you can live good with family them. we can't control the country.
All right,
That's
I'm
all
doing
I'm
that.
saying.
All right, my family, look at them. Look how I'm showing them. When they
That's
argue
our
about
biggest
the
problem, brother.
I'm going to the solution now. I'm going to the solution because I don't need to argue about the problem all the land. You see, the solution is we see who have them land a yard, who can go get piece of land a yard and hold it. We start plant back our own food, feed the people them. We start have a little place a bill. We own nurses a bill. We own community a bill. It's like when the lake them over here where them flood out, and that used to go on. That people used to build up. We have something in our culture where we say a build up, where we know so them people will try to come and stop it. Because every time a black business are going in America where I build up and it unite with a community, them come drop down on it and flood it out and put it in a lake. So we need to never stop that. We need to do the same thing and never stop. That is one of the biggest problems.
Organized, centralized.
Watch this up. There's no way you can have your enemy and feed you. There's no way. You can't have your enemy and school you. There's no way you can have your enemy at church you. There's no way you can have your enemy and do not scientist nothing for you and tell you any result. There's no way you have your enemy and tell you anything and do anything for you. They're supposed to say a mile.
Yes, sir.
And that was the biggest problem. Only this can help you. If we start go one food, stop import them, get rid of them prime minister there. If them afford to do anything, we take a business somewhere else and don't support no business to them. We start to find a little sovereign place to ourselves and calling everybody and we go there and we start do one thing over there. You see me? So the money now run over here. So we plant our food and we make sure so everybody have everything anytime. Nobody not short or nothing. We're not using money over here. So that these are the things we brought down them systems and totally wash them out. So now we have to get with arms, our gun, we have to get with everything for secure and defend it too. Because they're not come for we. Remember, I tell you, they're not come for we again. Don't ever feel like they don't give up and not coming for we. So we have to be able to learn, train, and protect ourselves over there.
And protect ourselves, yes. And feed yourself. Yes.
It's like how the Jews that used to go around and them throw them out of every country and never stop until right now them are rule the world. Right now them are rule the world because what them never stop and them never give up. And if we have that motto in our I remember, our enemy learn from we, So we have to learn back from enemy. Because we teach them something where them improvise and learn and put what we teach them and put that where them have hatred and put it together. We never expect that people could have built a nuclear bomb can kill off so much people. We never have that in our blueprint because we never build nothing for develop to do these things. So these times now we get a mind. Now we get a mind. If you know, so we now got this try, but we have a defense. That is what try Abraham do right now. Isn't it?
Makes sense.
Yo, bro, and everybody around them work together and plan food. They say them have clean food. You want to see the man them cook.
I love that.
You want to see the road. You want to see everybody I get house and everything.
I tell you.
And anybody them catch a thief. And anybody them catch a thief, the man kill them to put them to work. That makes sense. We don't come talk about now kill people and I got church and are willing to sign certificates for people dead. No, that you work for every life source for feed the family. We can lock him down, we can have him at work. If anything we want, you know, we never get rid of that person there. But next to them now take people life and I take them body parts. Take for them body parts then no. Take for them one day. No, them are gonna burn them body, them are kill them. That is the same thing for them get.
Me say things that not town and people are country say, yeah man, I that family people them are town.
Yep. And people at town do the same thing too.
Same thing wrong.
Same thing too wrong.
Thank
so the man of love for them one another. So you will not time. Because the device and the
talk to me no man.
Brother, I'm telling you already.
Father kill their son.
I will tell you. You know what I go on sooner or later? You see the father and the son they go out on the corner and sell ass. Remember, I'm telling you that. At the same time,
like it happened already.
It happened already. It's gonna be so popular and everything that.
The woman them with the buff beard. What are the hunger blood clan must glory hold that jaggy way?
a woman with a fat blood clot pussy. And the
Yes,
blood
I.
clot glory hole that we pick
Yes, I.
come out of. Blood and fire,
Yes,
Rasta. Blood and
No,
fire,
fire,
blood
brother.
and fire.
Fire.
What is not
Fire, fire,
I'm showing you
brother.
something upon that one now. Say. You see, right now, you know much time I get locked up in America, yeah? To the ladies them. I'm never yet eat them and carry a bad heart for them. See me, you know, the end of the day, me I say, yo,
Sure.
are the government and them people and the system of infiltrate have them brainwashed into think like this, to move like this. If you can't control a man, you're gonna lock him up. If you can't tell a man if you do, I'm bow or soup load, you're gonna tell him, you're gonna call police for him and throw him out and have him in the court for sabotage, because it's a thing where them do up here. And it's just true,
it's a mind game.
It's just true, I know say my mind solid from morning to hour. I never come like I never sleep in the house. I dey on the street 24/7. On the road, I get my institution, my knowledge.
Tough.
To the levels.
Tough.
So they tell me about paper for communication. From paper, them I call me dance. But them can't communicate with life to be with one with nature. And yet still them
them dance.
They need for nothing upon paper. Yeah, my day I talk to and I deal with enough from morning. Anybody in the world can intelligent like me like this. I'm not good pan paper. Not boy. Can't walk in and think about communication and them things about who you are done for. Yeah, I'm done from paper, but I'm done for nature. Nature and me are one.
Yes, sir.
Squirrel and bird come on in America. When I die yard, the same thing. Used to reach from a bird and them things that fly from nowhere. I'm used to shoot bird like them. I say why? I'm looking Twitter and say, John, no. Isn't me? These are the things them. These are the species them, which they are victim. I am not a victim. I have a knowledge of 13 to 16 senses. You see me? The people I tell about 5. You see me? And limitless too. Of knowledge of sense. That me I tell you. And them I tell me 5. I'm trying everywhere to turn up. Suffer with pineal gland. So we can be supernatural human. Them try everything. Them try everything for lower black man strength and everything, and yet still have more victorious in everything.
That's why I not cause my father. I know and try. It's a thing where them set up to keep with them. So I not cause all I want them. All we have to do is just show each other. You see me? Everyone can show everyone in about each one.
You can them thing there and them thing there right now and them thing there right now. But the truth is, sometimes if me can get a land there and do what me and tell you for free, the people and me can't cost them. Because at the end of the day, the man need a spell and them being brainwashed and them being hypnotized by so many shit. Them confused. So if me for go around and get up and say me really want, really what is the save them. But if we can't see that, we need to go somewhere else and start a different system that can help
man, with some other black people, man. And that they do, man.
Because them wanna, because remember, you know, them wanna done qualify already, you know, so the generation, they don't try to get to an all time. Because, you know, them done
win with this generation.
Them done win already, by far. So the next generation, them want to make sure attack so them system can sit in plan and live forever. And nothing can live forever, you know, it's just true, know that. So, many have to get up and fight if the people want to be stubborn and do what they want to do. Nothing to live forever. So, we could have sit down and relax like anybody else and watch this like cinema, but no. I still want it more easy and comfortable for my daughter.
Yes, I.
Nobody not tell her about she can turn her pum in her body. No one nobody tell her that who she is. No, she is who she is, sure. No, nobody in
and if she wants, she can be a man if she wants.
Yo, bro, any day in the world in the dog, me, anybody try for molest my daughter, you know. Remember me tell you, remember this. Lama, tell you this called blood.
Man, dead body, bro. Back your dad 100%.
This is I'm afraid about any else thing, because everybody is good and bad in this world. And I'm afraid them people will turn me like one of them. Because trust me, I will go on, we Jamaican and we black people, anything we go in that will always be the greatest and the goodest and the best.
Yes.
So, but I tell about the dark side there, it's going to be as to be about.
That's why them confused with so. That's why them don't power sign, bro. Especially the youth, them drunk on the youth, them brain, you know. And we, the parents, them. And we have to show the youth, them. Even if I know our youth, them.
Yo,
We have to show them
right now from my aunt, dog. Look at me there.
Show them, dog.
Electrical,
Yeah,
man.
man.
If you go and do something for make something, but what? I want to
See
talk
that?
about my eye, I'm think about my daughter and say, that can reach my daughter too. If it reach your daughter, you know, don't think like it not gonna reach my one in the daughter.
No, all the way, bro. All the way, bro. All the way.
Don't matter feel like nowadays and laugh off of you when it reach your daughter, you know. Right now, I'm going on the street and anybody that can protect that with my life.
Yes, with a passion.
Me, I tell you, with more than a passion. Like
Yeah, anyway,
from my life.
Just like how you da want a man
Different
to
one another.
your
Anyway, we
bring them out a road. And that used to go on first time. That used to
Yes.
go on first time. When we
Yes.
are sick now, we are going to school, we can't whistle,
Yes.
we can't cuss no bad word. We
Yes.
can't say no dirty thing about the
Brother, America,
beside
you
the problem.
America,
Yes.
man,
No,
you know,
the
right
littlest
now,
of
how
people
much-
down at Jamaica, they are tell the big old grave man.
Yeah, man.
Our son and our mother and our father. Yes,
And them a video it.
teenage, which part and thy mama him to go look.
Yeah, and them a video to show some other youths. I saw them for act.
Brother, tell them, man.
Yeah, bro. So it will reach our youth. Them are just wean out in the driver seat. Have to try and drive the thing proper and make sure say the youth them will come up right and hunger way to defeat them. You have it done tell me. The youth them it lying, my friend. No disrespect. The youth them it lying. And them for them mind we have to change, brother. Yes. We have to work on them. And it now gonna change to a
Treat the
Yes.
youth right because they putting up a fight.
yes, sir. Don't blame the youths. Come on, no, man. Remember touch now. Big bad
Remember this
artist,
again
man.
too. I remember this again too. Children leave what them learn. Remember that saying, the children. Show them the world. Yo, you remember them song that about? Them song that them stop play them song that because why them still you know the reason why them stop play them song that them song that open them pinagram. They open
Hit.
them song that we are the world. Them song that
Thank you. We are the people.
Open a key towards we need to start playing these songs and every day do it though.
So
Every
we
second
have
come.
to boy them.
These are the things them stop playing.
Leave me.
Stop. You see me? When I was in school, we used to learn some song. I put in a persistence, I'm gonna work it out. That's in the teacher man the bill. I see the clock up on the wall.
Them sang the run when they are hustle. And when they are work, yeah, them sang they keep you going.
Them things that
Yeah,
keep you living your
yeah.
function and understand life to a
Get up,
fullness.
stand up. Stand up for your right. You never forgot that song there.
Darling song there. You see all of them there in America, I have a Bob Marley and I play every day in the
Yeah, brother. For one day I find myself happy. Be a Bob Marley. Babylon by bus.
And when I'm there in America, I be a Bob Marley. You see me, the main one is in the get up, stand up,
Yes.
stand up, and in a Babylon
I
system.
Peter Touch and Bob and Bunny right that you know. Three of them right that you know. Yeah. Bad man artists them the time they you know. Go up at JBC and live over while. Yeah, man.
Them songs that used to give songs that used to give motivation and spirit to fight the fight. We will not get to those songs no more. Them take them out, them stop playing them. Nobody can tell me when them hear that song they ever play. We are
Those are the songs that give us
they never play
the
them
real
songs.
inspiration. The real
Yes, that's the word.
meditation. Those are the songs. Them are what they must sing now. Hear gunshot in our head. And
Yes.
down your throat.
Oh,
and how
God.
much Benz me have and how much Prado and girls spin out here so and all that.
Yeah.
That not teach
How
the youth
grudge them,
Nothing.
who bad mind them. And them friend them attacking. Said man them where them grow with you know, them a boast and a show off and you know. What kind of style that? Elevate each other man. If you find a way, teach one man out of a team man and make him teach the next one man.
Remember the saying is, if you teach a man to fish, he live for the rest of his life. If you have to give him a fish every day, can't work. They don't a seaside there and show him how to bait the hook and throw it out. Yes.
Yes, man. Yes,
Each one. But them not in that. Them want wear them pants underneath them ass. And them skin bleach out, them rub out the melanin out of them skin to get cancer.
Yes. And them are dead out.
One politician to tell them, say, it is okay. It is okay when you left school and evening to go up and corner go rub out your hand and smoke ganja.
Yeah, and drink boomerang.
Yeah, and listen to the dirty music. Yeah, and don't find some
encourage.
Don't find something.
That me see my encourage.
Lift up your head. Lift up your head. Your head.
Thank you.
It's the what about? You cannot tell young man to go about a man pan can and smoke ganja.
A young man. Ray, and him play be a mad music. Him play behind the thing. Yeah, and him now realize that them music ya youth them a fall and I head down in a destruction. And I hit him a youth with film. And then time them I watch him, you know. When he come out and I say, bro, God, and him a play my boy. All the little youth when he use film thing, they will not hear about that youth there again, you know. Youth with the big song there now in a campaign, you know. The first one when I'm winning, you know. We don't hear about that youth there again, you know. That the youth they must reach so till. Dada, make what you night, man.
The one where they sing, look at me now. Look at me now. That one there.
Yes. One thing.
Me don't know, brother. You don't think that you with that? A London in the blood cleat diaspora, we not check up and walk on down at that party there.
Okay.
You don't think we not keep a keen eye? There. We know everything we want.
Sharp, the blood clot. Yeah, man, I love that one. Yes, after this, I watch him. Because Mr. say, mad. A mad man, a big man, I go like him a little youth. And I saw me see I go right round. Don't watch a little man where police beat up. Because him there, I go like him a one little youth too. On the roadside. That's why that reach him. Don't feel no way. Some big man there and some big man, I go like them a little picnic up. And I run competition with them daughter and them granddaughter and them grandson. Okay. Yeah. Believe that. Love we need, brother. Love.
That's why I'm tell you something all the time to can judge my people.
Love. Yeah, because them under one influence. Yes. All right. That's why I have to show them the opposite of what them are deal with. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, you know, I don't really know the idea, but I tell them I enjoy that little conversation. Big up on yourself. Give thanks. Linstead me there, St. Catherine. Yeah, Linstead, St. Catherine me there. Yeah, Charlie Mount District. Yeah, man.
Brooklyn, New York, over there, go easy.
Give thanks, man. Yeah, man.
Morning. Afternoon, for down Lindsay there. Here a man down at Lindsay there, where the policeman they tell the youth under the shed, kneel down, and you're pow! And them say a shoot out. Tell me say a lie, me I tell the man from down at Lindsay
and
there.
And a lie tell. And them kill a man in a market too. Yeah, see him who you like that, in a market.
Tell the youth to kneel down, the little youth, and never know the camera under the shed. The camera under the shed, and when the policeman call the little youth and say, come here, kneel down.
Yeah, man.
Oh, in my head. And when the report come out, it was a shootout. Tell me now to Blumbar. Yeah?
Thompson, that boy, the name.
Picnic. See me picnic in my yard. And police, when me have pay me taxes too. Because if me no pay tax, him can't yam, you know. If me no shit, him can't yam. And him gonna feel yard with free picnic there. And if you have more time for me blood clean picnic, and I never your blood.
That's sure. Would have a fine where I live. But I want to tell you, say, see woman, the police woman, where they side him, and she testify against him, you know. I'm making lose all the work, you know. Because woman, I tell him, say, wait, you know. And him go ahead and shoot the little boy. It's a mackerel. The youth have in his pocket. mackerel, you send him go buy a mackerel. And him have it in him pocket and him say a gun and shoot the boy. Yeah, man. Remember the incident, man. But you know what, man, that security guard.
All right.
Not sure enough.
To analyze him.
Yeah. Just
He
by
don't know
thinking.
what him have in him pocket, but him think it's a gun him have in him pocket.
Yeah, and that make it any you life.
And at that making them tell me now, fi me picnic to blood clean.
1 million.
That's why I'm showing us I couldn't stay at Jamaica there to blood clean because life
Me understand.
I'd have to drop to blood clean down at that.
Me
Life
understand.
force have to drop. Guy why have to cut.
So it
You don't know, drones that fly a lick over tower.
Yes, brother.
Fire!
Yes.
To me picnic. Fire! What the blood clean no for me tax money.
You're mad, man. My picnic. Oh, gosh.
Brother.
I will tell you. It's a woman who I look out for all my picnic to and I say, yo, you're wrong. I'll she me and me to run a business. I do it all
Everybody down there.
Everybody down there.
Yeah, man, everybody from the
Right
now,
now,
man, king uniform, man. Yep.
I hate
man,
to see people, especially children and old people. Children and old, you know when picnic say, me hungry, picnic can't work. Picnic can't, so what the blood cleat you go fuck the woman for produce. When would go in a pussy, what would go in a pussy for don't. If you bring blood clot picnic. Me talk to the
that's why I want to sit in the That's right, man. That's right.
What would go in a pussy? What would go in a pussy for don't? If you bring blood clean picnic, then when the picnic come out, what the fuck your obligation for don't? If you look about the picnic, nurture that blood clean child for come take care of you in your old blood clean man.
Multiply.
What the blood do, no man? You gone to your yard with your picnic now. No question nothing at all. And me must just kick back, sir. And take
it. In a rebound incarnation for happen, my generation cut right there. Nothing can go on for me.
Nothing can go on for me. You mash up my thing. Yeah, you mash up my thing. You tell us that's one real cruelty going on, man.
Yeah, man, you're mad, man. Come on, pick
him up. Boy, like Noel Maitland. When you have big batty boy, Noel Maitland down there where collect taxpayers' money, take a nice young lady like that from our parents' home. Our parents' home. And carry her up and New Kingston there and trouble her fat tight pussy.
Yeah, man.
And alive her and gone to prison now. But I'm taxpayers blood clean money.
Mad. The man that couldn't live near that near government in certain way. Mad man. He have to go work to die and come. He have to go work to feed himself. Everything like that is my girl in the jail for me. I don't know them. Yeah, they must go work. They must go work to pay back all a generation to put me having that work like a slave. That's how I choose to get a slave now. Do that to a woman, a mad man. You know much time woman lock me up here, I'm gonna look for them and pray them. Much time them put me out of cold. The man from Bum, I like it for 2 man, wait it like 5 man, I'm tired of them things that you see. Until my people stop stuff.
Can you fuck with me more than fuck with my children?
God, no. Can I save my life to defend my picnic, so
when you start, that's what I mean. Soon if you go up, hey, all you boy, anytime you come to Amsterdam for your blood clot, you know. And you all when the sky open, and Jaja come out and say, no, Mr. T, don't I put on it blood clot for you 10 times 10. Remember that over Netherlands. Try remember that, you know. Because if you're not bowl to blood clean, me like the no Quran from that. The element of a most in that blood clot there. Remember that? Oh.
Remember, I'm tell you, I see it from my heart, that's my thing there, man. That's my thing there in life right now. They're on a bullshit and a crap.
And me say,
people
when me down at Jamaica there and here, uno say, una go buy bus. Them a go buy bus for the future. The future of the country, which is the toddlers, the young ones. And go buy some old snake, alligator, iguana, all different something living at them up a blood cleat Merca there. Can them come up a campaign in a down here. Campaign boss. How much $1 billion for campaign boss and I use the school picnic them. And not even a year after you come now for money for buy new bus again. Me sure no.
Same get them bus for free. Me sure no, same get them bus for free. Me sure that.
Of course. Dirty boy van. None of the girls them you have a buff beer. None of the girls them you have a buff beer. None of the girls them you have a orange beer. None of the girls them you have a long road. None of them along a Port Antonio they down there. None of them run a Boston Beach. None of them nowhere down there. You're not buying a blood cleat old car give them for them fat tight pussy. So what the blood cleat you want to take to tax money buy old vehicle to pit them down there for. It's shithead. Eh?
Yo, you know what next thing me say? When used to hurt me with my mother, me used to see my mother throw off in at church all the while. I look she and walk go to church. And I say, yo, I look and see the pastor drive a blood. Yo, I say, yo, I look for her and say, you don't say the whole I would not eat at a church. Why the pastor couldn't get buy a bus food? Buy half of the money for the car there and buy a bus food so we can come and come at church so we can come comfortable and this and that. So we're not showing the money. We're supposed to feel comfortable. Nothing there, no system there, nothing there, phone implant for comfortable. And there's a true money, so. I don't understand. Something wrong with you, no? I say, I rob them, no. This is what the country are paying them taxes, same way. And I said, nothing, we never pay them taxes. Nothing, they not pay them taxes, them get fired. Nothing. They put you in a poor, and they put you in a poor for slave me. All right, all that is.
Oh, that is. That's what I'm asking.
That's what I'm for kill off my generation. And you can go buy an island out of the country when time you resign and move out of the country because you know you mess it up. You know you mess it up.
You take
them stay in the country you can live. You must know them stay in the country you can live. You must know them stay in the country and live. Every one of them when them get rich and leave the country and down. Because they know say messed up. And they go sit around and stay in the mess because they know say the problem with the rich them do set one day. One day to reach them doorstep, so I'm not going to stay there. Give me no rich. And arms up and everything, because I know some people them go one day wake up and rebel and come for them goods and them things. Yeah, man, that's right, no, man, it's something for me nice and earlier. You hear me? I do some more. Yeah, I done did that work already, but later.
Yeah, man. Give thanks. One love, my brother. One love. No way them people Jamaica there. No way down there, the young man them. See the Chinese them come. The Chinese them go down there and open up mechanical car repairs out of Ferry there, industrial village. Out of Ferry industrial village. The Chinese them just come and open up business down a Ferry industrial village for repair vehicle. And them never have no permission from the government for do that. And look how blood clean quick. Charles give them license and everything. But him don't take. If it's even a dozen of the young men from Heart Academy. But in a auto mechanics, repairs, and say, watch here. For every mechanic wanna have out there, say 2 apprentices here. 2 apprentices. Yeah, them don't do that. Them government now have no futuristic thinking for the people of Jamaica more than pill, pound, or blumbat.
No farmer futuristic thinking for elevator no, more than pill power no. Pill power no in everywhere. I wanna can't say that, but some I wanna see it because it's in our house. Me here one say, then this me really vote for you for after I take away our husband and our son. No for wanna we are talk about Bojo a lesbian and Bojo a gun girl and Bojo a this and Bojo a older. Low Bojo. And because that happened to Bojo now, that's why I wanna say that. Yes. That's why we now come out and go on for go away. We want to know the rest of members of parliament who are under investigation for illicit enrichment. We want to know the rest of them. We want to know the rest of politicians who are collecting money and being investigated for illicit enrichment before it go any further. We want to know.
Laba, you know hear nothing about the case yet. Laba.
No, sir. No, sir.
One jump off and go on the rebel go here wagwan.
They are look out.
Me want to say something before you jump off. You know, hear me I set to fire. Fire. You didn't know say England send the Chinese them down here.
Oh yeah, say.
Brethren, even if England send them come down there, they might do something good for my country.
Yeah, man.
They might do dispute that man. Country than what the man where the people them elect. The man where the people them elect down at that blood clip there. Now they have them foot in them neck, but the Chinese them I do something.
True, them are work, brother.
I 50 US in I 50 US in the Chinese them come for pay we now. Them the time they are 5,000 you know. I them do all road man.
And them do all road.
Yeah, cause them not thief up the material and them not, you know what I mean? Them done it quick.
You know. The clinic over here, I be bigger thing and them a fix it.
That me hear.
Greater.
But me I say to yourself, after the Chinese
progress,
the Chinese them come to lift we up.
The progress, me I give your blood clean title as some is there. You have me can't say me I go do this. And when you come in, you do the opposite and still want more money. Now go work. You see if you do the right thing and a progress of one. Progress, yes.
Yeah, big.
You go give you fair slice of the cake.
Yeah, promise. Yes. See him if you had the full
The
go whip your blood plate. You go pick up stick you. If you have the shit, you go take the pickaxe stick and wheel under your blood plate. Me and your
yes.
Watch out. They are military, please. Watch this.
Yes.
You see, the thing when you talk about all them did the China, them this. We don't build it fast and then build it good. We're supposed to have faith in our people and we can give them the contract. We say a little bit the thing where you talk about you say the thing when I go on a walk, them could have come and take up every Jamaican and make them get the contract there and make them know so more than make them take time pay year by year the interest of it. So a black development and a Jamaican own it. No, it's a different
if the politician them not get involved. It can run good once the politician involved, brother.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. If they're not doing nothing for the youth, I'm sure them they are going to think that would make it owned by our own country. They would make some foreign investor get that money off of us.
Of course, I agree. Yes, brother. A Chinese one if it's true and a Mexican one in the airport.
You see? So in a sense, then, nothing will not own. In a sense, I would have to do, we just hand it over to own people them and make them pay the tax. Even if the taxes, even if we don't care how much the tax is, we take it. We don't care if we pay 3 times the amount. We can run it. We do it.
Jamaican they can run.
But at least we don't pay off that. We don't say it's owned by we and the rest of the money we are coming.
Yes.
We can live and we can benefit and the country can build up.
Yes, we can be productive. Yes.
if American or a different country have it, we're not gonna make nothing out for it if we can simulate. They're gonna keep make forever for it. And then for generation. For them generation with that gone in and out, that gone in our country generation.
No, that's a benefit for them. They're
No,
not
so
hit.
that is not fair. So that is not fair by right. By right, you have to find a way to make a Jamaican own this. It's so
But them man, you know.
a Jamaican, we have to wake up and fight for anything what is our one, get out the people left and start want to run up one thing like try it, Abraham do. If we not do that,
it have to mash up to fix back. It have to mash up to fix back. That's it.
Yep.
Normally.
That's why them always have a reset, you know, them flood out the world, you know.
Yes.
Have a reset so them can control the population again. All of them things,
That's what I'm doing.
Yes. But the boy them want the war to start, because the boy them come and the China them up here with 50 US. And the politician has take the money and tell us, say, and them the money have to go through parish council.
Them call that CIA infiltrate. That them call that, you know. You never know that.
And them bust it in a tree and give a quarter of the money.
Make up yourself, Black, because you know, understand the thing more.
Quarter of the money.
I will tell them, man.
Yeah,
Let me just tell you, sir, I can't be a man if I can't protect my daughter from these things. I can't be a man, call myself a man, if I will call myself a victim to this circumstance. I can't call myself a father or a man if I can't protect my daughter from these politicians and the wickedness that them do. I can't not be and call myself even a human being. I
agree with
that, man.
You see me? I'm not an animal, I'm a human being with so much sense. I'm not a victim. So I know I understand what to get up and fight for. I know who the true enemy and what they're behind the mastermind plan. You think it's not right there, sir? You think it's not right there, sir? I talk to them behind. A lizard and Jack Queen and all kind of alien a rule we don't know of. But what we know of, sir, we are the strongest species in the world.
my lad.
But trust me, a different entity of human being and behave like this. This is human being is not this deep entertain of darkness. This darkness comes from a different creature. You understand what I said to you now? This evilness is not just a human being. Evilness is a come from. The human being fear of something. And what hang over our head? What hang over our head? What hang over our head? This is what hang over our head. Is a different alien to entity and darkness and wickedness.
We are chat them in a bro.
Because you know, so whatever them threaten them and show them afraid to come to the public and make them
No, man, I see him. What am I talking about is the structure. The structure of everything. But what man come forward with is this, when I try to ask you, if you hear about the youth, one of them soldier they chip out on the ship, you know, Ochi, with Daka Ochi, the military thing there. And that means them are going to bring that the deceased thing on the land. What is it? Is it infected? Yes, I mean, I say everything is set up for the preparation of the suppression. To make sure say you know, stay in line. Don't disrupt this thing that they have in place.
But we never hear that yet. First me I hear that.
Yeah, we're not talking straight.
Somebody dead.
Somebody at the ship.
Yeah.
All right, the ship down. So that means them are going to come on land. And them have time.
Hold on. All who not talk, mute to the mic. From when you not talk, mute to the mic, make it no feedback and blah, but we can't hear what the individual has say, man.
Yeah, but mental send back a request. Probably get a call and it cause the echo, you know? Yes. You can't hear me now. Yeah. Because we get it down the pipelines where somebody was supposed to go pick up some of these individuals and bring them on a bus tour. When them go, couldn't get nobody, them say nobody can come off of the ship because somebody passed. You see what I say? And them have to run an investigation. Then them come back and say, oh, I unalive himself. And that was the situation. But them still not let nobody off of the ship. So that kind of sounds sketchy because how much investigation need to get run. More, you get what I say? More than them. So it seemed like more than likely it could be a sickness will come down on an individual. You see what I say? And
Bigger brother, I'm going to employ upon that. Them done do that and show up on Bart Simpson. On TV say them are going to have a ship that happened in America, yeah. Or a ship with disease, them are try to do that.
and that them I try though. That's the point where I get to. You see, they have set up a structure for suppress an uprising because it a boil. All them know it a boil because of social media. Yes, sir, may I say. So this is why we have these presents coming in, these ships coming by. Yes, sir, may I say. And the darkness that come around was basically for bring certain things on the land and set up the structure for standing defense. Yes, sir, may I say.
Okay.
Big nose, him going like say him not care because him know what's brewing in the back. Where when they go on this platform.
You think him can't do nothing, my friend?
What do you mean can't do nothing when it's in defense of him? Everything we have built up, you know, is in defense of him. You know.
Against. Bigger power them, you know.
Yeah.
Check them with all kind of songs and like what they happening in the 70s. Bag of things them a come with, you know. Cut off Jamaica like how them cut off Cuba. If we go that way there, now, that them a check me where we did.
They're threatening because they say they need to do it open. They need to do it open for the relocation of a population. This is what they're doing.
But you look like that picture.
A relocation of a population. And they want the masses to be suppressed and pushed back. That's what's happening in front of you. When the Chinese is not a separate entity of the elites, you know. They're on a different tier. Them coming and build the infrastructure and then them coming afterwards.
Tell the man the real thing. Tell the people them the real thing. They want to get rid of most of the melanated skin people in Jamaica. That is the main issue. To get rid of the melanated people in Jamaica. Yes.
Them have to get rid of now. It's not they want to. It is a mandate to get rid of you. Look at what Argentina went through. They are doing that to the whole
Perfect example.
Brazil, another place where they are doing. Come on, don't sit around and things and talking, never get things resolved. We have to be like the Albanians.
Wow. After war them. Let me see what you say.
They are London here, you know. And I see it and I left Jamaica. After we asked Isaac Buchanan to represent the People's National Party at East Portland, I left London here, go to Jamaica there, and we tell the people, we make sure looking at the crystal ball and tell them it do not look pretty. Anyhow, on the voting back, Dr. Pilpara, it now go pretty.
It's not. That was a major
it
mistake.
Very gloomy. No light, no. When you're looking at the pipeline, we don't see no light, and we tell them, we told them. But what? Greed. $5,000 wrap up in a green Ganzi, 1 box food and a drink of rum. Yeah. And politician I go tell them say if what you want me do, figure your water, piss in a pipe. And politicians I tell the young people them, it is okay when you left school to go up on the corner, go rub out the ganja in your hand and smoke. Then when them up on the corner, they rub out them hand with the ganja. I smoke. I drink the rum and boom. And I listen to the devil music. And police are come. What them are going to do? They now go run. And once them run, pie, don't it?
That you don't say something and that you they intervene. Brother, we can't stand up, but if we are going licky, or we are going to stand up. No matter about them a pressure government to do these things and yeah, those are the excuses. You see, this is the mental cost aspect of it. When we look on the reality of it, if this entity is stressed throughout the world, because right now that's what they are, aren't they stressed thin? So you're telling me 100,000 or even 1 million, let's put it 1 billion, has the right to suppress 7 billion.
Man said no. If you're not licky, I tell a man said no, there's nothing a man can do. And if another man rise up and said no again. What you think a man can do? A man can't do nothing, brother. Some man nothing just know, brother.
Yeah.
But if you have to depend on man things and anything there.
You will always run a problem.
So women know what you matter about, No way matter about, brother.
Over Portmore there. But they are Jamaica the other day and see it over Portmore. The woman and her daughter over Brayton phase 1. The woman and her daughter they are yard there. And show the woman used to sorry for him, give him like a food. Then go there the evening and ask, give me food now. And the woman say, Lord, I 2 fried dumpling and like a saltfish me do. Then go back for cutlass. And unalive the woman, but they even know if her daughter come out of hospital yet.
Yep. Yeah, about it.
Mentally, I don't know how I'm to do device, but your device
I drive. I drive.
So it connect to your vehicle.
Yes. So I hear what
echo. It mash up the stream.
All right, well.
That's a problem. So I say, everybody can talk.
Carry radio then and just use the phone alone.
Yeah, man. Yeah, thing already. Yeah.
Give thanks.
That's that problem we have with you.
Okay. So, better now.
Yeah, man. Oh my days.
What me I tell you, interested man, he conversation interested by love all the sound. But we need a revolution, We need a revolution.
I say I love we need, man.
No, revolution no love, man.
I love myself.
How you love your fight for, Yeah, man. How you love your fight for, man.
I love your
revolution, that man.
You can't fight for
wrong a fight against right. And right a fight against wrong.
Yeah. You just say something about. You just say something pertaining to them a pressure government. You like you take Andrew's side.
No man. Nah man. I cut off because I try to explain something to you. I tell you say when we work with the people and with the Chinese them I give away 50 US. And the government take it through parish council. I tell you what happened to women. And split it in a 3, man. And give a 1/4, man. We know about no government, no time, man. And them are we problem. And we have to unite against them. We have to show them say we're not dieted. And we're not going to take the bullshit we're not bring to it. When down to do something wrong, we don't forget beaten. All one day, election for keep, and nobody never vote. I think kind of war them I talk about, man. Yeah. All man, no teacher no more.
Hold on, my brother. Hold on. When you say the government,
yes,
the government decide to give you 50 US as your pay, but you want to negotiate the Chinese.
No,
and the government are going to step in and say,
yes,
you not forget so much money.
No.
You not hear me, people? So that means, that means
$5,000. How much?
That will figure something now. Let me ask you something now. That not supposed to show how the government want to have steer. Because under the master builders, may I try showing you
no, me think you never ask me what we do about it.
Oh, you don't know what the fucking law. Look at Jim said, let me do any blood cleaning.
No, me I say
under
what
the
we
Master
did do.
Builders Association.
500 other we know. I lock down the work, me general. Call the media. Let me tell you how we do now, man.
250.
We lock down the work.
Let me show
Call the media. Call the police them. You know where police them come and say?
Listen,
if you don't want the money, one of your yard.
Simple.
That the police them say. You know what the government do? Put police on the site now. Start yard the site.
That means them reinforce them statement.
Thank you. So them tell us a way. Have to work with that.
If
you don't believe me, ask some youth to work on the harbour. On the China harbour the other day when the highway them build. And even now, it's still a one.
Up to now.
Even now.
Because you might say him control the people them at Jamaica. That's why him get so much money him get, you know. Because you might say me have no head.
Yes, in own way. Yes. So him are the big backer master.
Same way I say no. Aye, what's up? Good morning. You know that in the time when Barack came to Jamaica, I was learning something like that. I heard, I don't know how accurate it is. Somebody was saying that them in the Mid East, like United Emirates, one of those people, them rich gold people there, wanted to control the wharf. They had they put in a proposal, they wanted it. And they came and they said that the people that work at Jamaica Wharf, they're the lowest paying they know about. They get the lowest pay. And they made a proposal. And I heard that they proposed a certain amount that they would pay the people. And somebody in governance said to them, said, okay, this is what you're going to do. Here, no one? Somebody said to them, say,
we own.
This is what you do. All right, give us the contract to manage them and give us the money to pay. And I hear say them run. Them turn back and don't look back. You understand? Because there is money in the government. They want the money so that they can pay the people a little amount and nothing and them take the majority.
Yes. So that's what I say. If we could have loved one another, these things could have
here. You understand? Guys, you see this platform, Clubber? I don't do politics. And like I said before, I've never voted before. I don't trust any of them. I don't vote because I don't want any of them to disappoint me. I don't think any of them care about us. But one thing, with your platform, I learn a lot. It teaches us a lot. You understand? Pertaining to what, because I didn't know that we could not export certain things, you know. You understand? Until the other night when you guys were talking about it. You understand? And I didn't know that the Chinese were willing to pay a certain amount of money and them take the money and split it in a 12.50.
Parish council that. And the both parties agree.
That's why I say nobody no for there I cost no labor right and cost more PNP and labor right. Because look in a parliament. After we not see the opposition oppose.
Nothing.
All agree on these terms.
Then now, because that's why I said to them. That's why I said the other night that PNP didn't want to win the election because they knew what was coming.
Wow! If me never didn't hear TSO, man. Mommy, you know,
the other night that they didn't go all out to win because they knew what was coming and they could have done better.
Champion or nothing.
So if them object a life or death, see like what them do the president in Haiti. A life or death, you have to have the people to protect you. You know, so Andrew can do better, but he must be big friends with them. He must treat us better so that we can protect him.
Yes, that's
understand. We not have to fight war to protect him, but we can protect him in different ways.
Yeah, man, there's a lot of different things we can
protect him.
Yes, we are very important, so we can do a lot of things psychologically. Yeah, man. They can inflict wounds psychologically, but you will unite.
I remember the other night I said also, all right, since we can't export the thing, make we start consume them things with them carrying out the country.
Thank you.
Because if it's not being consumed, we have to take less of the amount.
Thank you.
That's
1 week.
business.
All
And
of
then
it are
that
just
have to
loud for
communicate
1
to the
week.
people them so that
Yeah.
you see the media hosts that informing the people them, you know. They're not
Next thing
educate.
again.
It's a platform that educate we. They're not educate the people make know what go on. And
No.
enough we don't know say we can't export certain things.
That's true, man.
Hold on now, baby. Hold on. As a shareholder in the RJR Gleaner groups, you're
Yes,
going to
sir.
enlighten me upon something now. Did you know that your government down there in Jamaica has a gag order on the media houses?
Yeah, man, I heard that
Yes.
here.
Okay. So that is the reason why them can't talk about certain things.
Ah.
But I think when him RFM getting a big fight, you know. Because them now really go through with everything.
Even if them have a
Yeah,
talk,
them
like,
for them
me woulda
entity
want
different.
talk to, you know. Me say one of them did a type in about the $10 trillion red mud, but they on a program the other day, and when me talk about it, the program clap the platform, chop off,
Yes.
and TikTok send a message to me, say me not to talk about it. So me can't
Direct.
talk about the $10 trillion red
No.
mud. You understand me? Me can't do it. Me know. Me can't
Not
come in
using
the
that
one the man platform to get cut.
A
A
dictatorship.
TikTok call me and tell me say me not fit talk about it.
I know, you know, say the man put that in the system that you understand that TikTok can cut down
Probably a safeguard himself.
as it relates to that.
But restriction depend if it's true. Yes. Yes. We have to be careful. We not free.
Me don't know nothing about it. I'm never gone live. But I was on a live a while ago, and you see this person's live, you can't curse certain amount of bad word or else you might get restriction. But other people live at your people are cuss bad word straight and they not get no restriction.
And I
So
see
that
what
means say, are you
Look
And
how much
some people
people
can
on my
score.
life and it stand up steady, same way.
right? So something where the owner for the
Option. Oh, it's an option where you can apply. Okay.
right.
I understand. No, I understand.
Yeah, man, we need to stop think politics, cause right about now,
Yeah, man. I agree.
they can do better. Jamaica is managing being a prime minister is you being a manager to a business. Jamaica is a business. You cannot survive without operating like a business. You understand? We cannot survive. What must I say now? We need money then. In this time, we need money to survive. Until it change, then we have to use the next method to survive. How are we going to make money? Right? If you're not exporting. All right, since there's them a limit on the exportation and all of that. You understand? We need to reduce the imports.
Yes.
So that we can utilize what we have. And since we get money from foreign exchange from our family living overseas, and we get it from so-called tourism. Let us reduce the imports. You understand? So we can put some of the money in, and we can help each other so that we can better our lives.
Yes. Or even help the youth them then if you have a better tomorrow.
You understand?
Yes. Yes. Our one kind of guy.
Me go down to Jamaica there. And see them import ice. That individual, we have that company where I import ice. Why am I export for earn foreign exchange for import America shitty water ice for my people them down at Jamaica?
I'm in Florida because the ice factory break down. Why don't you fix the problem there?
You remember the ice factory where they did downtown? Them tear it down, you know? Yeah, man, them tear down that and build up something else down at Raytown there, so. You don't know what they want to build. So them not really interested in the ice thing and battery. Cause that's what you think about, you know. Ice and battery. We can make money off of them thing there.
Houses, they're building houses where poor people can't afford. Houses, that's what's going there.
I mean, I tell you, say them man are fool.
Hey, I build houses in the sea. If anything should happen right there, so I see, you know.
Man, they're fool.
If anything should happen, I think everybody that's going to sink.
We can invest in a renewable energy.
Hurricane season. The people them at Jamaica in a hurricane season and the prime minister what them elect a bulldoze people house in a hurricane season. Look into that to blood
Madman,
hey. Hurricane season, yeah, bulldoze the people them Ras house with soldier and police pan taxpayers
nobody nah do nothing.
I don't know why if you stay down at Jamaica, they know, I say I talk about unity now. Unity now, your blood cleat. When we should have unity from last year. From this big nose, Mr. Pilpa get up and say war from the Jamaica people at them time there. We should have war.
They are
talk about unity now because it in a blood cleat house. When me hear the old shit she don't a man to go be a talk about. But at this me vote for you for. At this me vote for you for.
Unite them in
blood cleat. I know no one I don't know. Beer that pressure bus pipe.
Everybody should
need to get them out.
From the first 2 weeks, the man in a power. Them should have start look to get him out.
Yeah, man. I'm not joke that, man. That's not joke.
I don't afraid of nobody. As a prime minister, what kind of nonsense that you talk? You are going to parliament. My belly full and all them bullshit. Where's the forum? You're a fucking asshole, mate. That's what you are. For real.
I watch him good while long, man.
Them, before you come tell the youths them, all right, here what me now. Here what go on the art. Me no want see no 4, 5, and 6 boy itch up on the blood cleat corner with them pants under them ass or about them ass and niggle. Go down at the blood cleat. Which part the office I go check the blood cleat councillor trade center open up around there so to fix car, who I go make blood cleat computer, who I go fix phone, who for
Max Romeo, do not come back over here, alright? So you want fully block.
Farming chapter, who want 10 acre of land there so, and 2 goat, and 2 pig, and 2 cow, and 2 rabbit. I mean, I mean, so you have got blood cleat, sell it, you know, and rear you for rear it because the man go come 6 months time, come check on the production, what go on.
Yeah, what them I tell you know? You see, remember, say them always I tell you, you know, what they plan to do in on the sites before them actually do it. No, we are here now, say. Remember, you never know this, you know. So if you have your land, all you know, overseas, have a land out here, want to not take care of. Stand a chance of losing it.
Yes.
Right? So they're letting us know that it's in the books that if you have the land and you're not cleaning up the land or you're not doing anything about it, anybody you can lose it. Anybody can come in and even if you pay your tax on it.
Hello.
If you're paying your tax on it.
That is just recently gone in the books with them rewrite. Remember the land agency in I'm office, you know. The man is a damn thief. He is a criminal.
All right, I'm trying to say, even if you pay your tax money, you know.
Babes, remember, you know, when the hurricane blow down a west there, you know, down a west, down there. Remember, say Dr. Pilpa get up and tell the people, you know, we have pay them tax to them land. If them can't produce them title, them not get back them land.
Yes. Them are going to lose it. Yeah,
and
man.
if you pay your taxes for your land, you supposed to can go down at the tax office.
Right.
And get back a title.
Right.
Better me just ease myself, yeah.
All right. You're the problem to know. They must say, if you're paying your taxes, you're not maintaining the land. But somebody else been there maintaining it and also paying the taxes on it. After about 12 years, they can clean the land. It's there.
And down to 7 now.
Tell me now. If me I pay tax on my land, them not supposed to collect no more tax from nobody else on the same land. They're not supposed to do that.
What this government will do for money. That is what this government will do for money.
I heard that even in Clarendon, Andrew building up a lot of houses down there, you know. They buy a lot of land down there, they retain a lot of land down there and they're building houses. Andrew, the
So
Prime
this is
Minister.
why, hello, blessed. This is why this man need to go to pray. Hello, blessed. This is why this man need to go to pray. Hello, blessed.
Phone,
Mute Uncle Roach, please.
radio on.
Yeah, Father Rushy, what go on? You good?
Yeah, man. Yes,
I
cheers,
was
Uncle.
okay, Father Rushy did I disagree, say something can't happen.
No, because I tell the lady, say once you have your land, the Prime Minister cannot legally take your land. Nah. Cannot happen, you know. That's why you have lawyer and can legally take your land. Like. Impossible.
So what them say about you ignoring it, not taking care of it, although you have your title, because you know, a lot of people from overseas, they're here fighting battles over their land, and I see them liar, them a thief the land too.
No, once you have
them have this thing where them are go around with, because I heard when they was saying the same thing about the land thing, and then people saying don't matter, the government own the land, and if the government want that land for build up or invest on, them can't tell you, say them need, them out tell you, them need deer, so, and them all give you money for your, if you have house or, that is bull crap. Because at the end of the day, you see, first time we could have got tax office and go deal with land. Now you can't got tax office go deal with land anymore. You forgot the land development place or the whatever, because remember the housing thing agent in the Prime Minister office.
The information came from the from a government organization with regards to you not maintaining the land, although you have paid your taxes and so on. They can.
I was listening to
somebody else, even somebody taking care of the place and still paying taxes on it, they can claim it. And the government can take the land.
Yeah, that is what them say, because a bully thing to what they're dealing with right now is appear badness and bullies, me say I go on to Jamaica right there now. Peer badness and bully thing going on with the government right at this present now, because how can you say the land don't qualify? The land don't qualify the people them to live on. Pick up yourself, mama. The land don't qualify to live on because of seabed or whatever. But at the end of the day, you push them off and you are going to build up business place and whatever you want. So
tell me now, which investor going to take up that? Right? Which somebody are going to invest in something like that when which your business is at risk? High risk.
Right, but I like them I tell that because they want to take the land to build up hotel and casino and them big place, because through the sea, the big